Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to enable power saving mode, battery saving mode on your Realme GT2 Pro, but it also works the same way on your Realme GT2 normal. So in order to enable battery power saving mode, there's actually 3 ways to do it. And the first one is to just scroll down your toolbar, scroll down again, and from here you can find the battery saving if you didn't change it. In the default, it should be located right here in the next page, but if you change it, it might be somewhere else. So just press on it and battery power saving mode, normal one, will enable. Now in order to actually find the settings for it, you can hold down the finger on this power saving icon, or if you want to go manually, you can open settings, scroll down, find battery. From here you can find all power saving modes. So there's actually 2, and one is power saving mode, that's normal, and the second is super power saving mode, and that will increase your battery lifetime significantly, because it adds about like 15 hours to your phone, but it will disable most of the functions on your phone, so keep that in mind. I'm gonna show you that, but at the end. So let's go through the first one, power saving mode. And here we can enable it. So right now it's enabled. We can change few settings. We can change to turn it off automatically. So that means if you come back home and start charging your battery and it reaches 90%, this mode will turn off automatically. You can enable to turn it on specific battery level. So if your battery drops to 40, for example, it's gonna enable automatically. But let's disable both of them for now and enable power saving mode to see default optimizations. Let's press on that and we'll be able to change more settings, which are reduce screen brightness. So if you, and right now when this one of them is enabled, that means when the power saving mode is enabled, it will work. So if we enable reduce screen brightness, our screen brightness will be reduced when we are in the power saving mode. It will change auto screen off time to 15 seconds, so our screen timeout, display timeout will be changed to 15 seconds. The next option is to disable background synchronization, sync in other words, and that means that when you have the like Google, for example, Google Photos enabled and they send files automatically to the cloud, they will stop doing that. So all your files won't be uploaded automatically to the cloud, and every synchronization app won't work as normal. Next option is to lower screen refresh rate. So if you have set your screen display refresh rate high, it will reduce and everything will be less smoother than before. So let's disable the setting. That was all of them, and as I mentioned, let's open our super power saving mode and see what it does. Turn on, and as you can see, a lot of changed. We don't have normal home screen, we have hour, we have month, we have phone messages and our clock, so we can set alarms, for example. But we don't have anything else unless we add some. So we can press on this plus add button and then add any app that you want to use while being in this mode. But keep in mind that if you play a game, it will still drain your battery as normal. So yeah, just keep that in your mind when you're adding these apps here. So we can add photos if we want to browse photos, and they should work normally, and any other app. Now let's turn it off, and that's basically it for all of the settings. That's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.